So in the third set, we discuss the location of roots with respect to two given numbers k1 and k2. So the next condition, the seventh condition is if both roots lie between two numbers k1 and k2. So let us say that you have two numbers k1 and k2. What is the condition that both roots of a quadratic equation lie between k1 and k2? That means if you take the graph, let us say that you have k1 and k2 as two numbers. So what are the conditions which ensure that both the roots are in between k1 and k2? That means the graph has to be like this. So what are the conditions? First, discriminant has to be greater than or equal to 0, because you have to have real roots here. And next, what is the next condition? The x coordinate of the vertex has to lie between k1 and k2. The x coordinate of the vertex has to lie between k1 and k2. Minus b by 2a has to belong to k1, k2. That means k1 less than minus b by 2a is less than k2. So this minus b by 2a has to lie between k1 and k2. And what is the third condition? So are these two conditions sufficient? So minus b by 2a is lying in between k1 and k2 and discriminant is positive. That means the graph is starting below x-axis and the vertex lies between k1 and k2. Now the graph can be like this or like this. So what ensures that the graph is like this? So here, if f of k1 and f of k2 are both positive, that means the graph has already gone up before reaching k1 and k2. Hence both the roots will be in between k1 and k2. So the next condition is f of k1 has to be greater than 0, and the next condition is f of k2 also has to be greater than 0. So there are four conditions now. The discriminant has to be positive. Minus b by 2a has to lie between k1 and k2. F of k1 as well as f of k2 have to be positive.